everyone, welcome to YourPedia Global. This is Chandrasekhar, mentor at YourPedia Global. This video is related to fully funded PhD opportunities you have being an Indian in this week in the area of physics. Okay, we are going to see which country, what is the research area, who is the professor or advisor, and then what is the eligibility criteria, then what is the funding, what is the deadline. These are the very important things. We will see those related to physics. Okay. So those who are having masters in physics, you must consider all these things to apply. If your research interest is matching with this particular research area, you can apply, right? Next, what is that research area? What is the, first of all, which university it is? Dartmouth University. It is in USA. Research area is quantum engineering, quantum computing, quantum sensing, superconducting qubits, non-Hermitian coupling, spin-based magnetometers, quantum materials, right? Advisor, his name is mentioned here. Eligibility is masters in physics, electrical engineering, quantum engineering, or a closely related field. Okay, means if you studied any subjects related to this research area, or if you had done any project related to this area, then you can also apply. Okay, also apply, and your master's degree must be related to this research area, right? ILC 7 funding is fully funded. Deadline is December 15th. It is so you must be in hurry to apply this one. Why? Because December 15th is very close, right? Next, University of Exeter, this is in UK, and QS ranking is 155. See, research area is optimal materials, optical metamaterials, mid-infrared sensing with 3D printed photonic metamaterials, on-chip sensing using advanced metamaterials for surface enhanced infrared absorption. Masters eligibility is masters in physics, material science, photonics are closely related field. Even first option also, second option also, both are almost the same with respect to eligibility, you can see, right? IELTS 6.5 funding is fully funded. Deadline is 12th of January 2026. Next, so Technical University of Denmark, QS ranking is 107. Research area, photonic, again it is photonic related, you say, photonic multiplexing, time frequency mode, photonic reservoir computing, analog signal processing, optical communication, nonlinear equalization, parallel computing architectures. I can say if you have masters in electronics also, you can apply. Okay, for this one. Electronic means electrical and electronics both are same. See, in India we see EEE, ECE, but with respect to IITs or with respect to foreign universities, it is simply electrical engineering. Okay, masters in photonics, electrical engineering, physics are a closely related field. IELTS 6.5 funding is fully funded. Deadline is March 15th of 2026. March 15th means 2026 it is, right? Next, yeah, see, Royal Holloway University of London. Royal Holloway University of London. Research area is me-scattering, non-field optical interactions in aerosols, optical trapping, aerosol physics. I think this is completely related physics, completely related to physics. Masters in physics, physical chemistry, atmospheric or environmental science are related fields. IELTS 6.5 fully funded. January 7th, 2027 is the deadline, right? Next, TU Delft, it is one of the very good university in Netherlands. Okay, if you have your research area inclined to, if you have your research interest inclined to this research area, and if you have these credentials, you must and should apply for this one. One of the very good university it is, right? Non-destructive testing, vibration analysis, AI assisted defect detection, metal 3D printing, signal processing, aerospace manufacturing, right? Eligibility is masters in physics, applied mathematics are a closely related field. IELTS 7 funding is fully funded. Deadline is December 14th. Okay, next, Ghent University, this is in Belgium, right? Nanotechnology research area is nanotechnology, semiconductor device fabrication, angstrom scale patterning, advanced materials, photonics. Eligibility is masters in physics, material science, nanotechnology are a closely related field. IELTS 6.5 fully funded, and it is open until filled. Open until filled means, suppose if someone approached with very good credentials, and then this option will be closed. That's why it is always better to apply as soon as possible, right? Next is Australian National University. Yes, research area is global seismology, mathematical geophysics, Earth's deep interior, planetary seismology, seismic waveform modeling, CODA correlation wave fields. right? Masters in physics, geophysics, planetary science or closely related field. IELTS 7 required. IELTS is 7. Please make sure. Most of the universities prefer a 6.5, but it is expecting 7. Okay, fully funded, and 5th January 2026 is the deadline. ETH Zurich, see, an excellent university. It's a dream university for most of the people. ETH Zurich, right? Research areas: reflection seismology, carbon capture and storage, 3D seismic imaging, time-lapse seismic monitoring. Mostly seismic means related to earth and all, okay, related to earthquake, you know that very well. CO monitoring, CO2 plume migration, geophysical signal processing, wave propagation, DAS and VSP seismic inversion. Masters in geophysics, applied mathematics or a closely related field. Fully funded, IELTS 7, open until it is filled. See, you must observe, IELTS is 7 required for top universities, ETH Zurich and previously 2 more universities I told, whose QS ranking is pretty good. They are expecting IELTS to be 7, right? Next, Queen's University, Belfast, it is related in UK. Research area is finite element simulations, multi-physics lightning strike problems, aerospace structural design, lightweight composite structures. So eligibility is masters in physics or a closely related field. IELTS is 6.5, fully funded, January 30. I see QS ranking 50 or below 50 or below 100, they are expecting IELTS to be 7. Okay. Next, University of Southampton. Okay, research areas, development of specialty optical fibers for high power, high safe fiber lasers, fabrication of advanced erbium doped fibers with tailored dopant profiles and large cores. Eligibility: masters in physics, chemistry, material science or closely related field. IELTS is 7. You see the QS ranking. Mostly I'm saying. Okay, fully funded, July 31st, 2026 is the last date, right? So these are the steps to be followed to get a fully funded PhD. See, we are uploading this document on our LinkedIn, okay, on weekly basis. Some options are uploaded on daily basis. Visit our LinkedIn profile. Yes, you can call, see, visit our LinkedIn profile. Okay, you can download, you can take this document from our LinkedIn profile, and you can call us also, or you can WhatsApp us on this number. Our executive will definitely guide you related to this information, right? YourPedia Global is the only organization in India which guides the students for fully funded PhD abroad.